So spatchcocking a chicken is a kitchen term used for butterflying a chicken. You can get a lot of surface area for flavor and good char marks on the barbecue, and it's celebrating the Calabrian chili. But first off, a spice rub. Paprika, you can get it smoked, mild, bitter, or sweet. You want a bit of smoke in your life. Garlic powder. It's dehydrated garlic cloves that have been crushed. Cayenne is a sexy lip-warming spice that adds some heat, some body, and a little character to the rub. And last but not least, oregano. Give it a little bit of life and freshness. Spice mix, check. Let's spatchcock a chicken. First thing you're gonna need is a chicken and a pair of scissors. So this is the breast. You wanna flip the chicken around, and there's a backbone here. So you wanna cut down either sides of the backbone, and then you can open up the chicken. Let's do it. So once the cut's done, flip it around, and then you just wanna press it down and flatten the chicken. Really easy, you wanna hear a pop. Awesome, and then it's a flat surface, and it just wants to be seasoned with spice. You know, I gotta wash my hands. Give me 1 second. All right, we're celebrating the Calabrian chili, and this stuff comes from the south of Italy. It's really warm down there, and they produce some hot chilies. So I'm gonna make a paste with my spice blend and the oil. Check it out. All right, this is great. Just pour it on the chicken, start in the breast, kind of get it in the cracks and crevices, and then 1 pinch of salt to just heighten the natural flavor and all the spices in the chicken, and rub it. Get your hands in there and dive in. It smells good, it smells fruity, it smells spicy, it smells delicious. Oh, partner, you caught me red-handed. I need to wash up, and that's a really good tip. When you're working with chicken, clean your utensils, clean your hands. You don't want to hurt anybody that you love. Oh, you got me. Now, this takes a little bit of time to marinate, but I have an idea. Oh! It's just pure magic. You know it's a good day when the sun's out and the barbecue's on. I'm gonna cook this chicken 2 ways. 1, high heat sear, get some nice cross hatches, and then move it over indirect where the barbecue has no heat and let it work like an oven. So, first up, a little spray on the grill and a shot on the chicken. And you wanna lay it down skin side first and get some nice char marks. Let's do it. It's really important to let the chicken rest. The juices in there are going a mile a minute. You just want to let it calm down so the tender meat retains all of that beautiful juice. While that chills out, let's make a sauce. This one's called a salsa verde. In translations, means green sauce. So let's go to the herb garden. So the parsley can go in with the stems, but for the basil and the mint, you just want to pick off the delicate leaves. All right, once you have the leaves off, it can go into the food processor, and this track needs some bass and treble. So first things first, a pinch of salt is gonna keep it green and make it really tasty. To loosen it up, a shot of olive oil, not too much. Anchovies. Anchovies are delicious. If you hide a few anchovies in there with the oil, it gives like a robust, salty punch to it. And speaking of salty punch, some capers. And it's all about the spice. So a couple big spoonfuls of the chilies. All right, that's it. Put the lid on, give it a buzz. Woohoo! Looks great. It's good color. It's all mulched up. I put it right on the chicken. Don't be shy with that salsa. It's delicious. It's got chilies in it, pops of freshness, salt from the anchovies. A lot happened to this chicken. It got covered in chilies, then it got grilled, then it got rested, then there's a spicy sauce on it. So freshen things up with a little lemon. For a salty punch, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Oh, dude, that looks so good. Yes, that's a good tender meat. A little bit of the salsa verde. And just because I'm a sucker for spice, 1 extra chili. Man, that is a rock star chicken dish. Perfect heat from the Calabrian chilies. It's like the sunshine on a summer day in Italy.